Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your culinary game, the Cuisinart SG-10 electric spice and nut grinder. We found this product online and have added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Cuisinart SG-10 is all about. This electric spice and nut grinder is designed to make grinding a breeze, whether you're preparing fresh spices for your favorite dish or creating your unique nut blends for desserts. With its powerful motor and high-quality stainless steel blades, this grinder can handle a variety of ingredients quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the SG-10 is its heavy-duty motor. This means you can expect consistent results, whether you're grinding hard spices like peppercorns or softer nuts like almonds. The push-top lid provides a simple on-off control, making it incredibly user-friendly. You can easily monitor the grinding process and achieve your desired consistency without any hassle. The bowl holds up to 90 grams, which is a generous amount for most home cooking needs. Plus, the extra storage space in the lid is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to keep your freshly ground spices or nuts handy for your next cooking adventure. The grinder also features non-slip rubber feet, ensuring it stays securely in place while you operate it, no more worrying about it sliding around your countertop. Cleaning up after using the SG-10 is a breeze as well. Both the lid and the bowl are dishwasher safe, which means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. And for those who appreciate guidance in the kitchen, the product comes with an instruction manual that includes some helpful recipes to get you started. So, who is the Cuisinart SG-10 suitable for? This grinder is perfect for home cooks who love experimenting with flavors and want to incorporate fresh spices and nuts into their meals. If you enjoy making your spice blends or want to add a personal touch to your baking with freshly ground nuts, this product is your friend. It's also a great tool for health-conscious individuals who want to control the ingredients in their recipes. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine throwing a dinner party and wanting to impress your guests with a homemade curry. Using the SG-10, you can grind your spices to perfection, releasing their natural oils and flavors, elevating your dish to a whole new level. Or consider the joy of preparing a delicious batch of homemade pesto or almond butter. The versatility of this grinder allows you to experiment with different combinations, making it an invaluable addition to your kitchen arsenal. In conclusion, the Cuisinart SG-10 electric spice and nut grinder stands out for its durability, ease of use, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, this tool can help you bring out the best